This is Jen Daniel with the National Weather Service office in Lubbock, Texas. This is an updated weather briefing on the afternoon of Thursday, April 14th, for the severe thunderstorms and heavy rain event expected to begin on Friday, April 15th, and lasting through Sunday, April 17th. This slide shows the forecasted weather patterns beginning on Friday with an upper-level low-pressure system that will move into the Four Corners region on Friday and from there move very little on Saturday. This will allow Gulf moisture to move into West Texas. A dry line is expected to develop over the Texas-New Mexico border, and from there thunderstorms are expected to fire along this dry line and move into the Texas Panhandle and western South Plains on Friday afternoon, and from there move across the Texas Panhandle and western South Plains into early Saturday morning. The Storm Prediction Center has included most of the South Plains in the slight risk category for severe weather for Friday afternoon into early Saturday morning, and the rest of the South Plains and rolling plains in the marginal risk category. The combination of instability and wind shear will make supercell thunderstorms likely, with large hail up to the size of baseballs. Severe wind gusts in excess of 58 miles per hour, and tornadoes are possible in the evening hours with these supercells. Now on Saturday, all of the south and rolling plains are in the slight risk category. However, we do expect a little bit of a different storm mode. Supercells are likely early. However, then we expect a transition into more storm clusters and then a squall line overnight. Large hail up to the size of golf balls is likely with these supercells, and then we'll transition to severe wind gusts with the squall lines. There is a chance of tornadoes with those supercells. However, the greatest risk of severe weather on Saturday will be with flooding due to slow storm motion. Again, with that flooding risk, we do expect heavy rainfall throughout the weekend. This graphic shows the thinking through Sunday for rainfall estimates. However, it should be noted that any one thunderstorm can put down a copious amount of rainfall, so these should be taken as just general estimates, with 1/4 to 2 inches across the western South Plains up to Lubbock and 3 to 5 inches across the rolling plains. There again may be that large east-west gradient of rainfall as that heaviest rainfall is expected to fall Saturday night in the rolling plains. So again, some flooding is expected, especially across the rolling plains. With severe weather expected this weekend, now is the time to prepare, know the forecast, and have several ways of receiving severe weather watches and warnings. That includes the internet, television, radar, radio, mobile devices, but the best way is a weather radio with a battery backup. Also, with it being early in the severe weather season, we want to remind you the difference between a watch and a warning, as these are likely to be issued this weekend. A watch is issued when dangerous weather is possible within a couple of hours, but is not occurring. A warning is issued when dangerous weather is occurring and it is time to move indoors and seek additional shelter. We want to thank you for viewing this updated weather briefing. We will continue to update these briefings as this event comes closer, so please check back for the latest updates. You can also find the latest weather information on our website at www.weather.gov/Lubbock, and you can also follow us on Twitter. We are at NWS Lubbock.